This video will show you how to replace your front lower engine splash shield on this Toyota Corolla. This will be mounted under the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To be able to replace this splash shield, let's make our way up along the side of the splash shield in the wheel well. Now as you look up along the side, making your way up towards the body, you're going to find two 10mm headed mounting bolts. The rearward one's generally out in the open. The forward one might be tucked in and behind your front fender liner. Let's get that next one. As I mentioned, you may have to press that fender liner out of the way. Now we're making our way underneath that splash shield. There's a push clip holding our fender liner to the splash shield. For this particular type of push clip, start removing the center to unlock it, and then you can remove the outer portion as well. You can use a trim tool, pocket screwdriver, whatever you have. Now we do have several more push clips making their way across. This type of push clip, generally you just pull out the entire thing using my trim tool. I'll save the two centers for last. We're at the far corner, towards the center of the vehicle. Pocket screwdriver. I'll try removing the center. And now our final two push clips. We'll hold onto the splash shield as we remove the final push clip. And remove the splash shield from the vehicle. Just a quick inspection in this area. Let's install our shield. Bring this into place. We're starting with the two forward push clips first. That's going to hold everything up for us. Heading towards the center, we have another push clip. In the corner. Now we're heading towards our fender liner. Just align those mounting ports. Slide that in. Up into the wheel well. Two 10mm bolts inside that wheel well. We got our last one here. Get that in place. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our engine splash shield. At this point, go ahead and make your way out from under the vehicle. Take it for a road test and listen for any odd noises coming from this area. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.